Sanibona bafethu sokusasa Orlando Pirates iyodlala against the Kaizer Chiefs kwiSoweto Derby. Yabo Soweto Derby ke one of the historical games akhona la eSouth Africa, the biggest derby ekhona la eAfrica. iKaizer Chiefs iyona ke yobidlala home kusasa eFNB Stadium, yona izobe host iOrlando Pirates okuyiteam ezobidlala away. Mina ikhumbula kahle ke igame eyayihostile Orlando Pirates kwiderby siphuma kuyona uTito Maswangayo wakora igoli lokuwinisa lapho sibona ipenalty enhle yakora uTito Maswangayo. Coming to this derby ama-team o2 awenzi kahle. Ama-team o2 awenzi kahle, iqiniso nje lihle lelo elimsulwa, but ke uma u2 ama-team azodlalela ukuthi enze sure ukuthi le game le ayayiwina, because ngaphambilini maningi amaSoweto Derby sesawabona asinikeza ama-games amnandi. Yabo nale bazofuna kube igame emnandi ezosinikeza ama-memories amaningi. Yabo masubheka Orlando Pirates right now number 2 with 46 points, masubheke iSkokhune number 3 with 44 points. Kaizer Chiefs ilapha ezansi, I think number 8 or 9 lapho nje ungangikhumbuza, balwela ukuthi bangene ku-top 8 bakwazi ukudlala i-MTN next season. So le game lezo kubalekile for both teams. So lana ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction mase ngithola ithuba. I-lineup yami le engayishaya na ungangitshela kuma comments i-lineup ongayishaya mase uthola ithuba, but ke naye yami. Mdlalo oqala ngaqalisa uSipho Chain. Sipho Chain ebhalini uyena goalkeeper mina engimthembayo. Abantu abaningi I think sebeyayibona lento ukuthi uSipho Chain uyena goalkeeper esinayo nje. Yabo uyena goalkeeper esingamthemba currently. Yes, we do need another goalkeeper uzomnikeza competition, but right now Sipho Chain is the only guy who can perform izinto right for Orlando Pirates. Mase uthi center back yami yokuqala ngadlalisa uMbokazi bafethu, umfana omncane usekhombisile impela ukuthi useyicementile iposition yakhe lapha kwiOrlando Pirates. So I will play the guy as a left center back kule game yakusasa. Igame ebalekile kakhulu ke le because uzobe eqala ukudlala iSoweto Derby. So kwiSoweto Derby yakho yokuqala maningi ama-games abalekile sewadlala. Yabo sewadlala ama-semi-final CAF Champions League, ama-quarter finals, sewadlala against iMamelodi Sundowns. Yabo basinikeze ama-performances amnandi. So we like to see him play kwiSoweto Derby, asinikeze i-performance emnandi futhi nakhona. Yabo mase kuthi i-right center back yami ngaqalisa lo mjida lo Thapelo Gxoki. I will start him. Reason why ngimstart kule game late because uSibisi menikhumbula kahle uthole red card when we played against iSkokhune United. Yabo so we cannot risk faka mhlamba bo Innocent Mayela kule game kanje. No, Thapelo Gxoki is the only perfect choice we can pick. Yabo I hope bazokwazi ukusebenzisana between bona belomfana lo mfana omncane uMbokazi, because angaze ngibabone bedlala ndawonye. Yabo nje angaze ngibabone bedlala ndawonye. Yeah, nginama doubts here and there, but ke I hope bazokwazi ukusebenzisana ndawonye kusasa mfethu, bakwazi ukusinikeza i-clean sheet. We need i-clean sheet kule game yakusasa, nothing less, nothing more. Mase kuthi ku right back position, I'm sure abantu abaningi bazongicriticize ngalento le, but ke mina I make my ruling. When ungangitshela ama comments ungafaka bakule right back position ngokwakho. Yabo but for me I will put uDion Hotto in that position. Reason why ngiput uDion Hotto in that position, uma remember uVan Rooyen walimala ngosikhathi dlala against njengoba walimala nje uVan Rooyen. So uDion Hotto is the only perfect choice for me. Yabo abantu abaningi basho ukuthi yes we can play uNdlozi. How can you play uNdlozi kule position? How can you play uNdlozi kule position? Because mase ubheke kuma previous games wethu uNdlozi wagcina nokudlala ukuyistart igame, agcina ukuyistart igame uNdlozi. So ukumrisk umfana omncane umfake kule game le akukho fair, because uma edlala kambi kule game le uNdlozi leyo nto izomosha icareer yakhe. There are many players abamoshakala icareer ngokudlala kambi kuDerby. Baningi abadlali ababhedelwa icareer yabo ngokudlala kambi kuDerby. So we must prioritize abafana abancane, sikwazi ukubagrooma kahle, sikwazi ukubaqeqesha kahle. Yabo sibafake nje endleleni, because mesibafaka nje right now emlilweni ushisa umfana omncane. I don't think uzokwazi ukuhandle shi pressure, because mase ubheka ama-team amaningi wonke lama-team adlala nawo ajwayele ukungena kulela side la right. They like to target the right position. Yabo bayathanda ukutarget. So ngafaka uDion Hotto une-experience umjida, uyakwazi ukudlala u-right, uyakwazi ukudlala u-left. Yabo so I'll put him in that position because sekwadlala lapha before. Orlando Pirates yamqalisa kule position before. Yabo so I'll start him in that position. Mase kuthi ka left back I will start uPaseka Marco ka left back position. Angazi ke wona wangitshela ukuthi uyaqalisa bakule position. For me he is the only player we can start in that position. Asinawo ama left back amaningi, so I will start uPaseka Marco kule position. Umjida uyadlala kahle last game, he performed very well. Mase kuthi number 6 mfethu ngaqalisa uMakahleni Makhaola. Umjida uyadlala last game ube restiwe berestiwe last game because yabo kunama games abalekile amabili kumele siwadlale. So ngaqalisa uMakhehleni Makhawula umjidi uyalazi mfethu siyamdinga lapha eswini ashanele yonke udoti oza kuma center backs wethu. Yabo lonke ibhola eliza kuma center backs wethu mele akwazi ukulivala. So I'll start uMakhehleni Makhawula. Leya position useyayazi kakhulu. Yes, we need another player ozokwazi ukuthi avale isikhala sakhe mengekho. You saw last game silele kahle first half but ke second half ayibhola vele lasilahlekela second half. Yabo so siyamdinga umdlali ozokwazi ukuvala isikhala sakhe mengekho but ke I'll start uMakhehleni Makhawula kuleya position leya. Ungangitshela ungaqalisa ba mase kuthi abadlali ababili abadlala phambi kwakhe ngaqalisa uTalente Batha beno Tito Maswanganyi. Nayi futhi enye i-conversation labantu abaningi I'm sure bazozama ukungixeka but come on guys, Tito Maswanganyi bafethu umjida ngathini. Yes, ungaba nezinkulumo zakho ngaye but when it comes to ama game kanje Tito Maswanganyi is the only player you need in your side. When it comes to ama big games kanje, when it comes to iSoweto Derby, Tito Maswanganyi is the only player you can rely to give you into. He's the only player ongakunikeza into right akudlalile ibhola lemnandi. uTito Maswanganyi wathengelwa ama game kanje. Yabo I trust him to make the team play better kusasa sidlala ibhola elfluid. Yabo singadlale most of the time menge kuTito Maswanganyi nikele ibhola sidlala sidlale ibhola esijwayele. Yabo so I trust him to play lelo bhola kusasa. Yabo same as uDlamini. Mekhona uDlamini umbona uDlamini ekhona sidlala ibhola elfast, ibhola yabo elihamba phansi, not leli bhola ama long ball. Tito Maswanganyi mengekho asiwadlala ama long ball. Siyawadlala ama long ball mengekho but mekhona sidlala ibhola eliphansi, ibhola la carpet. So I trust him to give us that edge, to give us that playmaking ability kusasa. Same as uTalente Batha bafethu angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu umjida dlale kakhulu for Orlando Pirates kule season. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad but ke yabo inkinga yakho iyashesha ukukhathala. Yonke into engikhala ngayo ngoTalente Batha, yonke ehlezi ngikhalisa ngayo iyashesha ukukhathala but ke kusasa siyamdinga umjida asinikeze i-A game performance against iKaizer Chiefs. Mase kuthi ku left wing ayami ngaqalisa bane Relebohile Mofokeng. Awustart uRelebohile Mofokeng abantu abaningi I'm sure bangangivumela lapho. Mofokeng usedlale kakhulu kuninga senzele kona kule season. Yabo so I'll start Mofokeng in the right wing left wing position I mean. Mase kuthi ka right wing ngaqalisa baningi ngaqalisa uNkota Mhawu Nkota. I'll start uMhawu Nkota bafethu. Wena ngokwakho ngaqalisa bakule right wing position. For me he's the only player right now with Pirates engimthemba uthi kusasa ngenzela izinto ezibukwayo. Kusasa uMhawu Nkota I see him scoring against the Kaizer Chiefs. He's the only player I see scoring against the Kaizer Chiefs kusasa kolokuqala. I'm not saying we won't score ama goal but I see him scoring kolokuqala kusasa. So I put him in that right wing position. Yabo wena ungangitshela ungafaka ba. Another controversial pick, I would pick uMabasa as number 9 wami kule game kusasa. I would pick uMabasa bafethu over uMakgopa kwe game kusasa. Mase check it imidlala nayo dlala against the Kaizer Chiefs. They don't start ibhola at the back. Abekho mnandi when they start ibhola at the back. So we don't need abadlali abapressa kakhulu. Yabo we don't need abadlali abapressa kakhulu. They like to shoot ibhola from the back. Bashaya count. Bayawenza ama mistakes amaningi. Yabo bayawenza ama mistakes amaningi. Lapha I know bazoqalisa uMigweli, baqalise uDove, baqalise uCross, mase baqalise uSolomons. I'm sure i-big 4 yabo kusasa le yona big 4 bezebenzisa kusasa. So uqalisa uMabasa uyi-goal poacher, uyi-striker sangempela esikwazi ukukhahlela ibhola. Sasa siyadinga i-striker, something umuntu okwazi ukukhahlela kusasa. So iyona lineup mina engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba le. Yabo 4-3-3, traditional 4-3-3 nje bafethu, nothing much. Yabo only need goals. Bedlalisa le formation le, ile formation le esinikeza ama goal.